Hey everyone, welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix OBS skipped frames. OBS skipped frames usually mean your PC can't keep up or your settings are too heavy. Let's fix it. Go to your OBS on Windows and click on Run as Administrator. This will restart it. If this method doesn't work, check your internet connection and make sure it's working well. After doing that, right-click the preview area and click on Enable Preview, turn it off, then go to your settings. Now in the Advanced Settings, scroll down and look for the display options. Toggle it on, then click Apply. So this is how you can fix this OBS issue. Just restart your OBS Studio and it should work perfectly. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you in the next tech video.